Welcome back to the Adventures with the Average Joe, and I'm Joe. Today, I'm going to be transplanting some tomato plants. I planted a bunch of seeds, not much was coming up, and then some of them came up too close together, and now they're tall enough. I can transplant them. And when you look at this tomato plant that was planted basically on its own, compared to these ones, you'll see the difference. But enough procrastinating, let's get these tomatoes transplanted. Okay. A couple of them out the way. I really need to do some weeding. It's only been a couple weeks, but it's the rainy season, so it just keeps coming down. That should be good. I'm going to use the dirt out of this tire for my buckets. I got some really nice dirt. I actually made the compound myself. I can't believe that one's even still alive. Holy crap. We'll replant that one in here. But I got a big cluster right here is the cluster I was talking about, how they grew too close together. Some of them can go back in there, and then some of them are going to go in here like, look at this. I need that. All right, one bucket. Might have to go get more buckets. There's more plants than I thought. But who knows, I might just put a couple spread out in there and a couple other spots. A little bit of base dirt. Let's get this one in here. All right. Now I can put this one over, and I'm going to put this one right here in this corner. a lot of it just needed declustered, you know, and kind of separated, because this is big enough that I can put a good handful, because these are just cherry tomatoes. They're like vine tomato, but they can't be as close as they were. They're pretty much good. All right, cool. But this is the one I originally had separated compared to the ones that were all clustered. And you are going to need a little more dirt around you. Cool beans. I really need to do some. It's the rainy season here, so that's why I put the tomatoes underneath the roof here. And also, this mango tree protects them on this side from getting too much rain. So I don't want to put them out there because it's been raining so hard lately that it would flood the plants out. But I'm going to bring you in for a closer view of all my tomato plants. After that, we'll say goodbye. Thank you for joining me. This has been Adventures with the Average Joe, transplanting some tomato plants. I think it went well. Not a long video, but work that needed to be done so I could have really good tomato plants. I'll keep everybody updated on the progress of my tomatoes as they grow and as they bloom. But until next time, everybody, have yourself a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Goodbye, and have yourself a great day.